Hey folks, mail call today. So join me and let's get this little package open and give you a little look-see of what's inside here. One of my favorite brands of pen that is affordable. You know, I've always liked this brand personally. And here it is, the Monteverde Prima. And I'll just give you a little look-see, and then I'll do a review later in the weeks to come. Beautiful pen. Gorgeous pen. Love the color, love the size. And the nib is a medium. So, I'll get into more detail and tell you all about this pen soon. So, I'll put him to bed. Until my next video, my friends, stay safe. Wash those hands. And as always, don't text and drive. And remember, a lot of peace and a lot of love. Take care. Bye-bye.